Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Script and Execute. My name is Shruti. So in this video, I'm going to show you the difference between inner text and text content methods in Playwright. Okay, so I'm going to show you the difference between inner text and text content methods in Playwright. Okay, so both the methods, inner text and text content methods, are used to fetch the text from the web page. Okay, so both are used to fetch the text from the web page, but there is a subtle difference between them, and let's understand what the difference is. Okay, so to show you this, I'll use two application. One is swag lab. So here I will fetch this text and I will use Orange HRM, and here I will use this username and password details. Okay. So here I'm going to use both inner text and text content methods on the same element to fetch the text. Okay. So I will use both the methods, inner text and text content methods, to fetch the text from the same element, and I will show you how the output changes. Okay, so I've already created the spec file and two methods. One is for source demo and orange hr. Okay, so let us fetch the text. Okay, so I will create a variable const user text. So here I will keep the text. Okay, the locator, and I will fetch the text using inner text and text content. So await page dot locator, we will find the locator dot inner text. We will print that console dot log user text, and again we will create another variable const user text 1 is equal to await page dot locator. So in this we will use text content to fetch the text. Okay, and we will print the same. Okay, so let us find the locator. So we have ID, login credentials. Let us take ID. We can check. Okay, one matching element. Okay, I'm saving. Okay, let us execute it. Okay, I hope you know the basics of Playwright. If not, there is a tutorial here in my channel. You can watch this. So there I've explained everything in details. Why? Await. I did not use await here. Await page dot code. Okay. So as you know, both inner text and text content methods are used to fetch the details from the user. Okay. Sorry, details from the web page. So we can see the output clearly here. Okay. Let me scroll up. So this inner text method gives, see, this is the output from the inner text, and this is the output from the text content. Okay, so we can clearly see that inner text gives the text exactly how it is visible to the user on the screen. Okay, so it's clearly giving how it is visible, to the user on the screen. But this text content method. This is from the text content method, and this gives all the raw text inside the element. Okay, so text content gives all the raw text inside the element. Okay, so now we can see that, or we can decide which one we want. Okay, so if we want to get the text from the user, our text as seen by the user, we can use inner text. But instead of that, if you want only the internal text from the element, we can use text content. Okay, and there is one more difference, that is, here this inner text, so inner text skips the hidden text. So hidden text means, so how we will know it is hidden is, usually in the tag it will be like it has display colon none or visibility colon hidden. Okay, so using inner text, using text content method, we can fetch that text as well, but inner text will not fetch hidden text or visibility colon none text. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, so same thing we can use for uh, I will use same thing for source term also. Okay, so let us inspect this element. So we'll take this orange HRM credentials. Okay, const user text to await page dot locator. This is the locator dot inner text, and we will print that console dot log user text to, and const user text 3 is equal to await page dot locator dot text content, console dot log user text 3. Okay, so let us execute only this. So I said dot only, so let us execute this. So I hope you understood the difference between inner text and text content. For both I said dot only. Okay. Okay, so this is from inner text. So it is exactly how it is visible to the user. After the admin, there is a space, next line, so password, but text content methods ignore all that, and it just gives the text, raw text. Okay. Okay, so this is what the difference between inner text and text content. And if you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.